Good morning. In this success series, we see about another numerical problem. It's a based on position of plane. Okay, so let's take an example. A regular hexagon 40 mm. Its side has a corner in HP. Its surface inclined at 45 degree to HP. And top view of the diagonal through the corner, which is in HP, makes an angle of 60 degree with VP. Draw its projection. Okay. So first of all, what is the plane we have to mention in the problem? Okay. So what is the plane is here? The name is called as hexagon. Okay. So the hexagon having side of 40 and the corner on HP. Okay. So we have to draw the diagram. That is draw the hexagon based on the condition of corner in HP. Okay. That means in two of the side of the hexagon is parallel to VP. That is the condition we have to mention here. Okay. Then the surface is 45 degree to HP and the top view of the diagonal through the corner, which is in HP, makes an angle of 60 degree with VP. Okay. So the diagonal of the corner, any one of the diagonal of the corner of your hexagon. Okay. So that is the top view we have mentioned. Okay. That will be make an angle of 60 degree to VP. Draw its projection. So it's a very quite information and it's quite complicated problem. But let's move on. Okay. So first of all, you have to construct the hexagon. Okay. What is the hexagon? It is a six side corners, six side and six corners. Okay. So based on the condition, what is the condition? It is as a corner in HP. It having side length of 40 mm. So first you have to draw the 40 mm line and making the interior angle of 60 degree. Okay. Then you have to construct the hexagon. Okay, the hexagon name is called as A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, then after while we are constructing the hexagon, okay, so you have to project the all the points towards the XY line. Okay, so what is that is A is projected as A dash, B F is projected as B dash and F dash, C E is projected as C dash and E dash, D is projected D dash. Okay, once you are completing the front view of the hexagon, okay, so first of all, I consider the top view, the condition of what is the condition? The corner on HP. After constructing this hexagon, we have to move to the front view. Okay, while we have complete the front view of this hexagon, we have to measure the line length of A dash and B dash. Okay, this is the second step for this type. What is the third step? Its surface inclined 45 degree to HP. That is the third step. Okay. What will you do? You have to point the mark on the XY line. Okay. After constructing the point, okay, you have to make the angle of 45 degree. So what is the previous step? You have to measure the line length of A dash and D dash. Okay. So that line will be the making angle of 45 degree towards this angle. Okay. So once we have to construct A dash and D dash, okay, the remaining points you have to mark it according to the second step. Okay. So what is the second step you have to do? Just you have to measure the distance of A dash, B dash here. So you have to mark it as similar. Then measure the distance of D dash, C dash, E in similar. Or else you have to measure from the B dash or dash. Okay, whatever you have to measure that and you have to point. Okay, that is the third step for this condition. Once you have to consider the third step, you draw the vertical line, okay, towards the downward, okay, or to the top. Okay, you have to construct the A dash towards some B, F, and C, E, and D. Okay, then you have to construct the horizontal line from the top view. You have to construct the towards the meeting, all the meeting points. Okay, once you have to construct the horizontal and the vertical plane of this diagram. Okay, so all the meeting points getting joined. Okay, that joining point is called as A dash. A dash is meeting with A1. B dash is meeting with B1. C dash is meeting with C1. D dash is meeting with D1. E dash is meeting with E1. F dash is meeting with F. Okay. So this is the fourth step of the top view according to the condition of the surface inclined to 45 degree to H. Okay. So then we have to move the next question. Okay. What is the question here? While top view of the diagonal through the corner in HP. So what is a corner in HP? So here A1 and D1 is a corner in HP. So here is a plane. Okay, that is called as a top view. They are mentioned in the question. Okay, so this corner which is in HP is making an angle of 60 degree. So what we do? So you have to measure the distance of A dash A1 and D1. Okay, that diagonal on the corner on the HP, you have to make an angle of 60 degree. That is the fifth step of our diagram. Okay, so how to construct this? First, you have to point the mark on the XY line. Then you have to take the angle of 60 degree, that you have to place the projector, you make the angle of 60 degree, you draw the line. Okay, after considering draw the line, you have to make the distance between A dash and A dash, just you have to copy paste. Okay, then you have to measure the distance similar. What is the distance we getting the other side? Okay, so what is the angle we have to measure it? Okay, that angle we have to proceed in the fifth step. Okay, so once we have to consider the all the points like A dash, A1, B1, B1, C1, C1, D1, and E1 and F1. Okay, similarly, we have to constructing according to rear our angle of 60 degree. That is a very primary important. Once we are constructing the fifth step of the top view, according to condition of 60 degree, we have to draw the vertical line towards the vertical plane and draw the horizontal line from. Okay, so once we have to consider all the points. For example, the B1 is meeting with B1 dash, C1 is meeting with C1 dash, D1 is meeting with D1 dash, E1 is meeting with E1 dash, F1 is meeting with F1 dash, A1 is meeting with A1 dash. Once by constructing all the lines, we joining the two together, okay, we getting the final view of this project. Okay, so first step, we have to construct in the hexagon. Second step, we have to draw the front view of this hexagon. After that, we have to make an angle of 45 degree. Then we have to draw the final elevation of the front view, so top view. Then after that, at the fourth step, we have to construct in the top view of the diagonal corner on the HP. Then final step, you have to project all the points. We getting the final view of this diagram. Thank you.